Do you want to get clone pin in Brawl Stars for free? If you want to get one freebie, then go to YouTube and search here Brawl Stars Brawl Talk. When you search this, then scroll down and you will get a video here. And here you will get this video. You can see this video thumbnail, Mega Pig. Just open this video and go to its description. When to go to this description, here you can see claim your free pin to get into the hype of the update. Simply click on this link. When you click on this link, you automatically Brawl Star game will be open in your mobile phone. But for that you must have Brawl Star installed in your mobile phone. Otherwise here you can go to Play Store or App Store and install. Once you install and again click on that link, then the Brawl Star app will be automatically open and ask you to claim the reward. Just click on claim. When you click on claim, then your Brawl Star pin will be unlocked. So this is the way you can get a pin